Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. Well, yesterday, the day before, was my birthday, turned a big 4-0. And, Kathy's been asking me to share a few things that I've learned every single week. And I would say the one thing that I continue to get up there in age is the older I get, the more I realize I didn't know, right? And I think that's an important way of always being in curiosity and always kind of asking and questioning things. And so as I turn 40 and I wake up with maybe a back that hurts just a little bit more, I'm still grateful and in gratitude to have such an amazing wife and having Camila, my parents, our family, our friends, our clients, you. I mean, I'm really blessed and I'm humbled by all those that took the time out of their day to kind of share some wishes. So thank you for that. With that being said, we also want to congratulate a new homeowner, Alfredo. Congratulations on getting recording and getting the keys to your home tomorrow. You'll be getting the keys, so congratulations. We also want to let you know about our holiday Easter egg virtual. The Easter Bunny is going to be there. We're going to have prizes, games, event that's happening April 3rd. So if you haven't already, make sure you RSVP. Let us know and we'll get you that link. Next, we have our ADU workshops. And again, I've been preaching ADUs and the wealth creation that they create. So if you're interested, our next one is Saturday. It is the 20th. So we hope that you join us for that. It's in the morning. It's via Zoom. I teach you all the mistakes I made when kind of going and building ADUs myself with, again, my own money. And so, you learning from someone else's mistakes and someone's money is a very easy way to kind of advance in life. So if you're available, we'd love to have you for that workshop. And finally, if you're thinking maybe about selling, this is, again, such an incredible time to do so. The market is full of people interested in buying. And if you're looking to buy right now, you've maybe experienced that. So it's really advantageous for most sellers right now to be able to sell their home for top dollar. It doesn't matter the condition, doesn't matter anything. So, but if you want to improve it before, let us know and we always have some resources for you. So with that said, again, want to say thank you. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Big congratulations to the new homeowners. We have a few more families that will be getting keys next week. So we're excited to share that. Wishing you all the best and we'll see you soon.